Struggling to invite someone to Webex? Watch this and you'll send invites in 30 seconds flat. I know how frustrating it is when you just need to get a colleague or a client into your workspace and the whole process feels hidden behind confusing menus. We are going to fix that right now. I will walk you through signing in, finding the invite option, entering emails, and sending the invitation. So let's jump in and do this together. All right, the very first thing you need to do is sign into your Webex account. Head to the Webex website and log in with your usual credentials. This is where everyone starts, so just get that done and you are ready for the next part. From the left sidebar, click Invite People. It should be pretty easy to spot. Once you click it, just wait a second for the Invite Others to Webex page to load. This page is your control center for adding new users, so give it a moment to appear. Now, here is the main part. Enter the person's email address in the field that says Enter Email 1. For example, you might put in their work email or their personal one. I usually recommend asking them which address they want to use, because this is where the invitation will go. If you have more than one person, you can optionally add additional emails in the Enter Email 2 and Enter Email 3 fields. And here is a tip I have found really useful over the years. If you need to invite more than 3 people at once, just click the Invite More People button. This opens up extra fields, so you can add a whole team in one go. Before you hit send, take just a few seconds to review all the email addresses to make sure they are correct. I always double-check this part. A single typo means the invitation goes nowhere, and that just wastes time. So scan them quickly and confirm everything looks right. Now, click the Invite button. Go ahead and do that. Then wait while Webex sends the invitation email. This usually happens pretty fast, but occasionally it might take a moment to process. Just hang tight. Once the email is sent, the recipient gets an email with instructions on how to create or join a Webex account. They simply follow that link in the email and they are in. They might need to create a free account if they do not already have one, or they can join directly if they do. Now, let me give you a few tips to ensure smooth invitations. First, if someone says they never got the invite, ask them to check their spam folder. That is the most common hiccup. Also, if you are inviting someone from another company, they might need to use the same email domain they use for work. And finally, if you need to resend an invitation later, you can usually do that from the same Invite People section by finding their name. In my experience, these little checks save everyone a headache and keep the collaboration rolling. That is really all there is to it. You have gone from not knowing where to click to confidently sending an invitation in under a minute. Next time you need to bring someone into Webex, you've got this. Thanks for watching and happy collaborating.